Common types of problems we face in our laptop computer devices.
Suddenly, the power goes off.
Power comes on but the display doesn't.
Keyboard not working.
Auto restart takes place.
Black spots on the display.
Display shows long, horizontal lines.
Becomes slow.
Suddenly the program crashes. Windows starts repeatedly during startup.
Also getting many more problems.
Saad Solution solves these problems professionally through experienced engineers.
For details,
Call.
Saad IT Solutions is a trusted company to solve any laptop problem and provide superior service.
Our address: Saad Solution 72 Rupayan Center Shop -204. First floor Wirlessgate Mohakhali DHAK 1212.
Mobile no 88013-58865658 8018414 for 57675.
https://www.facebook.com/saadits.
Saad Solution 1@gmail.com.
YouTube https://www.youtube.com/saaditsolution-sm1jp. Saad Solution Laptop Services and Training Center.